Hi guys, today we talk about Tecno Camon 30 Premier. It's launched on March 2024. The dimensions of Tecno Camon 30 Premier: height 6.41 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 7.9 mm, the weight is 210 gram, and the build: front glass and aluminium back with silicone polymer finishing and aluminium frame. The display of Tecno Camon 30 Premier. It comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.77 inch with 89.9% screen to body ratio. The resolution of Tecno Canon 30 Premier. It comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the refresh rate is 120Hz. And the brightness of Tecno Camon 30 Premier 1400 nits peak, and it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Let's talk about the platform of Tecno Camon 30 Premier. It has Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, and the CPU is Cortex A78 octa-core, and the GPU is Mali G610. The memory of Tecno Camon 30 Premier. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of Tecno Canon 30 Premier. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it records 4K 60 fps video record. The selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it records 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 70 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging and no reverse charging in this mobile. The commons and the feature of Tecno Camon 30 Premier. It has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1, NFC, USB Type-C, IP54 dust water resistant, and FM and infrared report 2. The Tecno Camon 30 Premier price is $500.